In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Google Forms. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply need someone to assist with managing responses, sharing a Google form with others is a straightforward process once you know where to look. So, grab a seat and let's walk through this together. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Forms. If you haven't started a form yet, you can create one by clicking on the blank form button or any of the available templates that suit your needs. Now, ensuring you're logged into your Google account is essential, as this grants you the necessary permissions to access and share forms. Once your form is ready, we'll proceed to the sharing options. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon which leads you to the settings menu. Click on this icon and a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll find several options that let you customize your form's settings, but for now, let's focus on sharing. You will see an Add Collaborators option or a Send button. These options might slightly differ depending on your version. Click on one of these. If you click Send, a window will pop up showcasing different methods of sending your form. You'll notice email as one of the options. Here, you can type the email addresses of the people you wish to collaborate with. Directly type their email addresses into the designated field, separated by commas if it's more than one. This feature automatically sends them an invitation to access your form. There's also a link sharing option. By clicking on the Link tab, you create a shareable link. This link can be copied and sent directly to potential collaborators via emails or any messaging platform you're comfortable with. If you want more control over who can view or edit your form, utilize the Settings button next to the link. By clicking on this settings gear, you can adjust permissions to restrict access only to those with the link, limit it further to specific people, or open it entirely depending on your preference. If you choose to limit access to certain individuals, make sure the people you share with have Google accounts, as this is required for them to edit or collaborate. Now share the link with your chosen collaborators and make sure to communicate any specific instructions they might need. Remember, once you've shared your form, it's good practice to check back and confirm that everyone who needs access can successfully view and interact with the form as intended. Communication is key to ensuring a smooth collaboration process. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Google form and invited others to collaborate. Hopefully, this guide helps you manage your projects more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.